Menteri rangba kajala Konrad ki sangma haga khat wei terik yayong ula Pynkup burom ki sab wei ngut ki khynnah ki bapas ya SSLC but ki bade na ki jaka ri ki khynnah ni ki child care institutions narilum khasi ba jaintia habakren ha ka ni ka jingalang bala penlong da katna social welfare menteri rangba ula ong na du hnin kasngi ni la Pynkup burom ki nong jom na du ki badang khynnah hadu ki bala rangba bat menta sa shisien biang ila yo banyale kimen ya ka jing job ka jong phi lingba ka jing tre shitom bat ka jing shlor haba a jinga ro ya ka men si mele jong kini ki khynnah ki badan ha ki jakari khynnah ba pher menteri rangba ula ong bakam long ka basuk bat ka jinglong jingman ki bawan ra ya ka jing job haba benram menta kasngi ma phi baro philala ban pensisha ba philong ki badan ya ka dor bandan hangni bat phila banya khoni ki jing e jing tenju ki ba phia kendo ulakin turu e kini ki khynnah ki ba pas ki badan ha kani ka jingalang bakin beteng ban tre shitom da ka jingkut jingmut ka paskam nalor kani ka jingsam ya ka khusnam da ka song pisa menteri rangba ula pynbna ru baya ki jingpuli ha ki kerdan higher secondary jong kini ki khynnah on kershan da ka chief minister's secretariat hakani ka program layadon langru menteri katanat pule puthi ubala kamen rumbui nalor ki officer na katanat social welfare bat kiwai
Today we are here to celebrate your success. And the reason we are doing all of this is to let all of you know that we care about everybody, that we are proud of each and every one of you. Whether you are the topper of the SSLC, whether you are an 80-year-old person who has just learned how to read or write, or whether it's you who, in spite of so many challenges which one cannot even start imagining, did not give up, took up that challenge, worked with determination, fought all those difficulties that came in front of you, and yet came out successful. So today is for you to celebrate your success, to celebrate your courage, to celebrate your confidence, your hard work, and what you have achieved today. I always tell people that it is not the easy things and the situations that determine success. It is how you face the challenges that determine who you are. How you accept those challenges, how you adapt to those challenges, and how you fight and overcome those challenges. That is what determines a person. And today, all of you have proved that you are worthy of being here, number one, and also you have proved to yourself that no matter what difficulties come in front of you, you will continue to rise, you will continue to work, and you will continue to be successful in life. So congratulations to all of you. There will be many, many more challenges ahead. I cannot say that we can do everything for you, but definitely we will try our best to support you in every possible way. Let me also announce that apart from this small token of appreciation that I am giving today to all of you, which is not a big amount, it's just to show my sincere appreciation to all of you. I also want to announce that anybody who will be taking up the secondary school examination, the admissions, the CM Secretariat, for those who will be taking it up, the admission fees will be paid by us, by the CM Secretariat. So the money that you got right now is yours. Use it for something nice, maybe buy something nice for yourself. I don't want you to use it for the admission. My joint secretary here, Mr. Shivangs, he will take the headache of paying your admission fees for the higher secondary. I think all of you deserve it. I hope you continue with your education. Please don't let it go. And I do hope that you'll be able to take it up. And we'll find other ways also to further support and help you in the future. So once again, thanking all of you for coming here. And once again, congratulating all of you. And I wish you all the very best for your future. May God bless each and every one of you. And may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much.